Time-restricted eating is a type of intermittent fasting where you're basically allowing yourself to eat within a specific restricted window of time, most typically studied in the range of 8 to 12 hours a day. Now, how can you apply this quickly to your daily life? Just to make it very simple, one thing that is commonly done is having your dinner a little bit earlier and having your breakfast a little bit later. This will provide your body a longer overnight break from eating. Both in animals and humans benefit from a large range of metabolic health benefits.